Silky beat.
Oneplus Ace 2 just launched today. Fast refresh rate, curved OLED display, flagship processor, new Sony IMX890 camera sensor, superb in design, fast charging, affordable price and many more. Today I will show you unboxing and first impression of the Oneplus Ace 2, a flagship phone. Hello everyone, I am Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. We have start with the quick unboxing just to show you the box content. In the box, you get the SIM ejector tool and the documentation, 100-watt Superbook charger along with the USB Type-C cable. OnePlus also provides a transparent case in the box. The OnePlus Ace 2 has two color options, washed black and glacier blue. We received the glacier blue version, which is more elegant color with the less saturated and rich and neutral appearance. The exclusive silk glass technology makes the back of the phone look more shiny and it creates a beautiful light reflection effect. The feel of the glacier blue is smooth like AG glass and it doesn't easily leave the fingerprints. The design of the OnePlus Ace 2 follow the black hole style of the OnePlus 11 with the circular camera module in the middle frame made of stainless steel and the high quality materials. The camera module has a K-shaped light and shadow that makes a phone easily recognizable. The outermost circle of the camera module has a detailed and layered design that is similar to the high-end watch dial. The Hazelblade logo, which was present on the OnePlus 11, is not on the Ace 2. The middle frame of the OnePlus is made of plastic with the glossy coating that has a good texture. The surprising feature in the return of the 3-stage mute switch. The thickness and the weight of the OnePlus Ace 2 8.7 mm and 204 grams and similar to the OnePlus 11, making the two phones feel very similar. The power and volume button are located on the left and right middle frame like on OnePlus 11. The front of the phone has a curved OLED screen with a hole in the center for the front camera, which is different from the left placement on the OnePlus 11. The screen of the OnePlus Ace 2 is unique as it is the first in the world to have a 1.5K consonant touchscreen. According to the official information, the screen has a high refresh rate of 120Hz, high brightness of 1450 nits, and the Precision Touch technology. It is the only phone that has passed the TUV SUD Precision Touch S level certifications. The screen of the OnePlus Ace 2 is 6.74 inches with the resolution of 2772 by 1240 and 450 pixel per each density. It displays 1.07 billion colors and has a color gamut of 100% DCI P3 and supports HDR10 and 10+. The color accuracy is excellent with an average color shift value of 0.52 to 1.87, which is considered professional level performance. The OnePlus Ace 2 has the first generation Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 mobile platform and has a full-blooded version of Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, not a downgraded version. It also has a full-blooded LPDDR5X memory starting at 12 gigs and going up to 16 gigs. The flash memory uses the UFS 3.1 and start at 256 gigs going up to 512 gigs. The version we tested has a 16 plus 512 gigs and supports up to 8 gigs of memory fusion. In performance tests, the Ace 2 scored over 1.13 million in Antutu and 1335 for single core and 4145 for multi-core Core Geekbench 5. The full-blooded version of Snapdragon 8 Plus on the OnePlus Ace 2 has good performance as seen in the Geekbench. The reading speed of the memory of 1898 MB per second and the writing speed is around 1774 MB per second, which is typically for the UFS 3.1. OnePlus Ace 2 has a technology called Memory Gen Recombination, which improves the way Android memory works. It has three parts: instant bandwidth technology that reduces the stuttering, asynchronous memory technology that reduces the freeze, and application preloading technology that speed up the launch time using AI. This improvement make using the phone smoother experience. We tested the ability of OnePlus Ace 2 to keep the background apps running. We cleared all background apps, opened 30 popular apps one by one, and then went back to the first one and opened it again. And we found that all 30 remains in the same state as when they were first opened and were still running in the background. This ability to keep the background apps running is very good. OnePlus Ace 2 has a great game performance. During the 20 minutes of Genshin Impact game test, the average frame rate was 59.9 frames per second and there was no frame drops. The frame stabilization index was only 0.9, which is considered very good. The game Genshin Impact consumes about 5.4 watt of power, which is normal for the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. Overall, OnePlus Ace 2 is a good companion for the game Genshin Impact. The temperature control of the OnePlus Ace 2 is good. The highest temperature is reached in winter indoor environment of 22 Celsius was 40 Celsius on the upper left side of the screen and 39.2 Celsius for the back. The overall temperature control is impressive. OnePlus Ace 2 has an excellent heat dissipation and the temperature control due to its large heat dissipation area, advanced material and the performance tuning. It also has a custom professional render chip for better gaming performance and features the same super frame super picture engine as the OnePlus 11 and supports the 120 frames mode for over 100 games, including some less popular games. The screen brightness and the contrast are also improved with the Super HDR picture quality mode, which make the picture clearer and the difference between light and dark more noticeable. The OnePlus Ace 2 has 3 cameras including 50 megapixel main camera, an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera and a 2 megapixel macro camera. The IMX890 is the same main camera found in the OnePlus 11 and Oppo Find N2 and has a large 1 by 1.56 inch photo sensitive area and OIS optical image stabilization. The camera quality of the OnePlus Ace 2 is the flagship level and provide a natural and realistic images. The Ace 2 also has a good performance in the low light condition due to its optical image stabilization. The ultra wide angle camera is also perform well in good light conditions, but the resolution may be lower when zoomed in. OnePlus Ace 2 has a 5000 mAh battery that can be fully charged in less than 30 minutes thanks to the 100 watt super fast charging technology. It also has a world's first full link power management chip, the SuperVoox, which helps to make the charging process more efficient. The base model of the phone has 256 GB of storage and 12 GB of RAM. It is priced in China is around 2799, roughly 345 UK pound and 412 US dollars. The OnePlus Ace 2 is a performance mobile phone designed for the players, particularly those who play high-end gaming. It offers an excellent frame rate and temperature control and is a good choice for the user who want to flexible performance, ultimate gaming experience and the good value for money. It has a new design, upgraded configuration, improved camera and the super picture engine. It is well-rounded phone that is good choice for the gamers. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below if you have any question. Also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling and I will see you in the next one.